Okay. This is a random place. No, it's not.
I'm in the tent.
Yeah, that's my sister. Say hi to the video.
Hi guys.
She has always wanted to make her own YouTube channel, but now she says she doesn't want to make one. So she's gonna be with me today, and we are camping. Tomorrow
in our yard.
Tomorrow we're going on a trip, so we're practicing the rules.
And we're camping in our yard. So
Yeah, we're in our yard right
So
now.
it's not like it is like literally camping.
We're actually camping. Like, here, I'll show you that we're actually camping. We have a light, some books, snacks, water bottles, shoes.
My shoes are over
We
there.
have everything.
Yeah,
And
everything.
to prove that we're in our yard, here, you can't really see it.
Yeah, because like it's dark outside. It's night,
Right now.
so you can't really see it.
But we actually are in our yard.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So, my sister is trying to close the door. So, what should we do first?
Eat.
Eat. But still, I'm not that hungry. Anyways, I had my hood on with my jacket. After she eats snack, we're going to be telling jokes. Should we do that? Yeah, sure. Let me just help her stop close the secret. I'm going to go get my dad because my cat's here anymore. We got our cat away, and our dad helped us close the secret cave. So, did you eat yet? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, then eat. Come on, let's... Ah! He's trying to get me through the wall. He's trying to get me through the wall. Z-bars.
Okay, Itai, where's yours?
Mine? Why do you want to show me?
Itai, where is?
Oh, wait, can I see you one more time on the floor? What? Can I see you one more time right here? Where? Here. Right there. Oh, I can't find it on the camera.
It's here.
Maybe it's there.
Let's do it in the light over here.
Okay.
Oh, and there is the Z-bar.
I have two. And here's the other one. Now, are you gonna eat?
Yeah.
Because let's start. I'm not hungry. I'm just gonna time lapse you eating. My sister is about to finish for Z-bar. And what should we do next? Go outside?
No, Julie's still outside.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to stay in here for the whole video. Probably. Maybe.
Maybe.
That's a probably or maybe.
Maybe?
That's a PB.
Probably. No, maybe. Because our cat's outside.
And there he is.
And there he is.
You heard us talking about him.
Scratching down the tent.
Lights out.
I am scared.
Give me this. Okay. What should we do next?
Show the flashlight.
I already showed them. Okay, what should we do next?
Don't know. What you choose?
I don't know. We bring some books.
Yeah, we should show them our books.
Oh, yeah. I have this. It's called You're Reading It the Wrong Way. I'm just kidding. You can read it. It says The People of Sparks. And it's the second book of Ember. I read the first book of Ember and I saw the movie. And I'm already in the 4th chapter of this.
And
She still doesn't know how to read that good. So she has...
okay, I have a Dr. Seuss book. So here is
It's about Arthur. What does it say? Arthur Reading Race.
Okay, and that's his little sister. Right there.
What was it called? What was she called? Dorothy? No, that was in Wizard of Oz.
No.
Alice? Oh no, that's an Alice in Wonderland. Just don't read about it.
Just forget about it. But that is his sister. Right there, with the book.
So,
Right there.
let's
And that big brother is Arthur.
let's start reading. Okay, I just finished the chapter, and she finished the book. So,
And I'm eating the rest of my tea bar now.
you didn't even finish it? No, I just need to wait.
That part of the tongue's down because of Sumi.
It doesn't matter. So let me wait. Wait for Ella to finish. As you see, this is a lead. I'm using this for my lights, which it doesn't give off a lot of light anyway. So what else did we bring that was fun? Should I go get Stuffy so we can play with?
Yeah.
Okay, we just got our dad, and we got Julie inside. Julie is our cat's name, anyways. So, look. I'm kind of hungry right now. So, what should I do? Drink or eat? That looks cool. It kind of looks like the Illuminati.
Here.
See?
Here.
Oh, thanks. Let me eat the Z-bar. So, let's plan what we should do next while I eat this Z-bar. Hey, is this the start of the video?
Yes.
Because, I was about to say welcome to a new video. If it is the start of the video, welcome to a new video. And if it isn't, welcome to part of the new video. So, let's get started. Okay, I think that bird is better than me at starting videos. Hey, don't listen to him. He's just a little human. Pets are better. Oh, hi, this is my friend. What? I forgot your name. What was it again?
Poofy.
Oh, I forgot.
No. Allie.
Allie? Okay. Hi, this is Allie. Welcome him to the new video. He is 8. I said no more licking in videos.
Okay.
He's never had a YouTube channel. I just invite him into my video so he can practice.
4.
Yeah, he's actually 4. I'm 7. I'm almost 8. So I'm hanging on my tree right now. So what are you doing? You're in the way of the camera. Okay. I flew down from my tree. Ow! Look how I fly. Woo! Ow, that hurt. So, what should this video be about?
Allie the dog.
Okay, but you're Allie.
Yes. So me.
Okay. So what should we talk about?
I'm a dog. I'm 4.
We already said that in this video.
I love to eat.
Wait, you do?
Yes.
You never told me that.
I love to eat now.
Okay, then go get food.
I don't know where your food is.
It's in the back. That's the light.
I like eating lights.
Okay, you're weird.
Hey, Dookie friend.
What? Is this how you act in all of my videos? Because I've never seen this.
Okay, I don't like lights.
Okay, so, yeah, I think we should wrap it up right here. Yeah, let's just end the video here. Bye. I wasn't real in this video, but that was just my pets they make video. Allie, get out of here. Allie's the worst at making videos. No offense. I said no offense. My sister's right here. She's gonna decide next what we're gonna do. What should we do?
I have no idea.
Okay, you'll see you when she decides. And my sister can't think of anything to do. Jokes.
But you do it.
Oh, fine. I'll do it in the camera. So, there was 3 cats sitting next to a mirror, and the music was like the new SpongeBob music. And when it goes like, oh, the music is like big box, like. Well, not like that, but like beatboxing, and they all jump up like crazy. So like, oh, it's very funny. It's in the Try Not to Laugh challenge, and so here's like a cat standing on a car, and here's the
That's a story.
No, it's joke. It's Try Not to Laugh. So this is the cat on the car, and this is the
Jokes are like Itai. Jokes are like, why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, how about I do a knock joke?
Okay.
Knock.
Who's there?
Cows go.
Cows go who?
No, they don't. Cows go moo. You get it? You say cows go who? Like cows go who? Like they go who?
Oh,
like
Itai.
moo.
Knock.
Who's there?
Cow.
Cow.
Moo.
Who?
No, I have to say cow. Okay, knock.
Who's there?
Cow.
Cow who?
Oh! Actually, again.
The interrupting cow?
Yeah, Itai.
You're doing
again.
that from home.
Knock.
Who's there?
Cow.
Cow.
Moo!
I know that. The interrupting cow from home. Okay, I think that's all we're gonna do today.
Upload it.
No. I'm doing more of the video.
Okay, then do it by yourself.
Okay. Guys, I just woke up like 5 minutes ago. And I have to use this light to make my video because it's dark outside. And there's no windows here in this tent. And my sister, she's awake, but she doesn't want to like fully wake up right now, so she's going back to sleep. Well, I'll see you when she's awake. My sister doesn't want to get out of her camp bed. Just listen to her. Say hi.
Hi.
Did you hear that? Yeah. Probably if you had high volume. I'm still thinking what I should do next. I was planning on going outside, but it's dark and my sister doesn't want to wake up. So, maybe not. I'll see you when she does wake up. We're about to take you guys outside to prove that we're actually in our yard. There's a playground. There is a trampoline over there. What was it called again? But it's for soccer, so yeah, we're actually on outside right now. Our journey is success! Yay! We went that whole day by ourselves out in the woods, and we found a home to keep us safe. I actually have to go to the bathroom, so I'll see you when I take this jacket off and I go to the bathroom. I'm back. Should I end the video here?
I think.
Yeah, because we're already inside and this is not called camping.
Whatever. We don't need that.
So, this is not called camping, so I'm ending the video here. I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know, how long is it? Probably like short, the 15 minutes. No, we weren't asleep.
And then we woke up and then so did the others.
Yeah.
It's freezing.
So, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more, and that's all I can say right now. I'm so cold. I'm scared. I hope you enjoyed. Wait, did I already say that?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm just gonna end the video. Play the